आज हम एपिसोड नंबर 3 में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी के बारे में जानेंगे। दोनों के बीच क्या डिफरेंस होता है। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का प्रभाव होता है, तो उसके इफेक्ट और उसके इंटेंसिटी में क्या माइनर डिफरेंस है, आज इसी को हम डिस्कस करेंगे। Any region surrounding a magnet in which its magnetic effect may be detected is referred to as its magnetic field. The distance at which such effects may be detected is great. कोई भी मैग्नेट है, उसके किसी पोल की ओर जो इफेक्ट होता है उसी का मेनली महत्व होता है। बीच में कोई इफेक्ट उसका नहीं होता, दोनों सिरे में उसका इफेक्ट होता है। बट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ कूलम्स इनवर्स स्क्वायर लॉ द प्रैक्टिकल एक्सटेंट ऑफ द फील्ड इज क्वाइट लिमिटेड। इसलिए कहा गया है कि इसका प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड जो है एप्लीकेशन काफी लिमिटेड है, क्योंकि बीच में वो काम नहीं करता है। इसीलिए कहा गया है कि प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड काफी लिमिटेड है। The intensity of magnetic field at any point in a magnetic field is the force in dynes experienced by a unit north pole. Placed at that point, it is actually represented by the letter H. So, it बराबर m dash h. Its unit is dynes per unit per pole or Oster. Previously, the term Gauss was also used for it, but that term now is exclusively used for the unit of magnetic induction per unit area or flux density B. So, F बराबर m dash बटा r स्क्वायर बराबर m dash into h. h के वाले हम मान कितना दे दिए हैं, m बटा r स्क्वायर। सो h बराबर f बटा m dash बराबर m बटा r स्क्वायर बराबर 4 pi m बटा 4 pi r स्क्वायर Oster. Now, if unit pole area gives rise to 4 pi unit cubes of force, then field intensity is measured as the number of unit cubes per square centimeter. A field of unit intensity 1 Oster बराबर 1 cube per centimeter. On the rationalized MKS unit, the unit of magnetic field intensity is ampere meter and is 4 pi गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oster. The value of h is equal to 4 pi गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oster in the case of MKS unit. In the case of CGS unit, 1 Oster बराबर 1 cube per centimeter, 1 cube per unit area या per centimeter. The unit of flux density V बराबर given in CGS EMU is Gauss. And in rationalized MKS unit is Weber per meter square or Tesla, or 1 Weber per meter square बराबर 10 to the power 4 Gauss. B plays the same part on a moving charge that electric intensity E plays on a stationary charge, and so F बराबर QE and F बराबर QV cross D. Thus, we can differentiate between the magnetic field and field intensity. Magnetic field is indicated by F. Magnetic field intensity is indicated by H. The unit of F is magnetic field or force is in newtons, and the unit of H is Oster. The difference between two, the Oster किस में है, इन सीरियस यूनिट में, और MKS यूनिट में इसका मान कितना होगा, 4 pi गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oster. Thus, there is a vast difference between magnetic field and field intensity, and we use in the initial period the value of Gauss for the H, field intensity. But now we use the value of H in unit Oster. and the value of uh, V is measured in Gauss or CGS unit. So there is a vast difference between magnetic flux density या magnetic induction V and magnetic field intensity H. H is counted in Oersted, V is counted in Tesla. In CGS it is counted in Gauss. That is basic difference between two. And the H unit is कितना? H in the MK in the CGS unit H is CGS unit H is Oersted, but in rationalized unit it is ampere meter, and 1 ampere meter बराबर 4 pi गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. That is difference between field F and intensity H. So 1 ampere meter बराबर 4 पाई गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. That is the difference between CGS unit and the MKS unit. तो CGS unit यहाँ क्या हो गया? ESU के टर्म में. इसको जब हम लाते हैं EM यूनिट में देखें ऐसे में EM यूनिट में तो कितना हो गया? U हो गया एम्पियर मीटर, किसमें हो गया? MKS में. MKS यूनिट कितना हो गया? एम्पियर मीटर. CGS में कितना हो गया? Oersted. बराबर हो गया 4 पाई गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. Thus the value of F is in CGS times in MKS Newton, but the value of H in CGS or ES unit is Oersted, and in MKS unit is ampere meter. 1 ampere meter बराबर 4 pi गुना 10 to the power minus 3 Oersted. The value of flux density is in Gauss in CGS या EMU, and the value of V in MKS unit is Tesla or Weber per meter square. That is difference between MKS unit and CGS unit or EMU unit. 1 Weber per meter square बराबर 10 to the power 4 Gauss, and the value of V plays the same role as value of E plays in the electrostatic case. Yeah, a stationary charge. In moving charge, the value of V is important. In a stationary charge, the value of E is important. Thus, there is a difference between magnetic field F, magnetic field intensity H, and between flux density V and electric intensity E. Thus, force बराबर QE in the case of stationary charge, and in the case of moving charge, the force बराबर QV cross V, where V is the flux density and V is the velocity of the conductor and Q is the charge of the conductor.